Guys, check out these magnetic blocks that I got for my kid. There's 28 piece a set. So if you want more, you can buy more, but I suggest to buy more because these are really fun. And my kids, they love it. They love every single piece of it. We got different sizes too, but you know, this is the smaller size. And the colors are vibrant and very attractive for my 3 years old. Let's open it and check it out. You can see they are easy to organize too, so you can build anything. There you go. Really fun for the kids. And there's also organized bag, but we don't really use it because we have a lot. So we have a whole bucket, big bucket to actually store this stuff.